Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great with your friends and family. So today here I am with the another recipe of soya veg biryani. So before we start the recipe, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new notification. So now let's start the preparation. So first here I have taken a deep pan. Now I'll add 7 to 8 tablespoon oil in it and let it to get hot. Now I'll add 1 cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cloves and 6 to 7 black pepper seeds, 1 green cardamom, 1 brown cardamom and 5 to 6 chopped garlic and 1 inch chopped ginger. If you want, you can use the ginger and garlic paste also. Now we'll cook it till it slightly changes color. Now I'll add 2 sliced onion. Mix it well and we'll cook it till it's slightly pink in color. So here you can see the onion has changed its color. Now we'll add the dry masalas in it. I'll add 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 teaspoon salt. Now we'll mix all the masalas properly for 2 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. So now we'll add the tomatoes. Here I am taking 4 chopped tomatoes and 5 to 6 green chilies. Mix it well. Now I'll add mint and coriander leaves. Here I have taken 1 small ball of mint and coriander leaves. Mix it well and we'll cook it till it starts releasing its oil. So now you can see the masalas are cooked properly. It has started the releasing oil. Now we'll add all our vegetables in it. So here I am adding 1 chopped potato, 1 small ball of green peas and 1 small ball of soya chunks, 2 chopped carrot and chopped French beans. Vegetables you can take as per your own choice also. So now I will mix it properly on low flame for another 2 minutes. As you can see, it is done. So now we'll add 1 glass water in it. After adding water, we'll mix it properly. And now we will close the lid and we will wait till 2 whistles on medium high flame. So now meanwhile we'll prepare the rice. So for rice, here I have taken a pan which is filled with water. I have added a few mint leaves, cinnamon stick, salt 1.5 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon oil and let it to get boiled. So now as you can see, the water started boiling. So now we'll add the basmati rice. Here I have taken washed 3 small ball of basmati rice. We'll add it and we'll cook till it 80% done. We'll check our rice. Here it needs more time, so we'll boil it again. And now here our rice are done. It's half done. So now we'll mix it. So after 2 whistles, here you can see our vegetables are cooked properly. Here you can see it is done. So now we'll add 1 lemon juice. After adding lemon juice, we'll mix it properly. And here I am taking 1 small ball separately. We'll take it out. We'll add it on the top of rice. So now we'll add the rice. We'll add the rice 1 by 1 layer and we'll level it properly like this. Now we'll add all the rice here and we'll level it. Now on the top of the rice, I'm adding the vegetables which we kept separately. After adding it, we'll just spread it evenly. And now here I'm adding 50 ml milk on the top of it. It will make our rice soft. So now place a tawa on a high flame and now we'll place the biryani cooker on the top, close the lid and we'll wait till 1 whistle on a high flame. And now the 1 whistle has come, so we'll wait for another 10 minutes. So now after 10 minutes, here you can see our yummy and tasty veg biryani is done. It's looking so yummy. Now I'll add 1 spoon ghee on the top of it and we'll spread it. And here you can see the biryani is done. So now we'll do the plating. So guys, here you can see our yummy and tasty soya veg biryani is done. Serve it hot with your choice raita. Hope you really liked the video. Do make it for your friends and family and share your views in the comment section below. Hope you really liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.